Mastering Everyday English. Run a Bath, Unveiled. Hello and welcome to today's English language lesson. We're going to dive into the phrase, run a bath, and explain what it means in everyday English. So grab your notebooks, and let's get started on this linguistic journey. When someone says they're going to run a bath, they mean they are going to fill the bathtub with water for bathing. It's a common phrase in English-speaking countries that dates back to when you had to manually fill a tub before bathtubs had modern plumbing. The term, run, in run a bath, might seem odd since it usually means to move quickly on foot. But here, run refers to the action of water flowing or being run from the taps into the bathtub. It's an interesting example of how English words can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Now, let's see how to use run a bath in everyday conversation. You might hear someone say, "I've had a long day. I'm going to run a bath and relax. Can you run a bath for the kids while I clean up?" This phrase can be both a statement of intent or a request for assistance. In many English-speaking cultures, taking a bath is associated with relaxation and self-care. So, when someone says they're going to run a bath, it often implies they're setting aside time for some much-needed relaxation. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, run a bath. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey. Enjoy every step. Happy learning and see you next time.